Ever wonder how regular people, just like you and me, are quietly building massive wealth and becoming millionaires? It's not through some get-rich-quick scheme or by winning the lottery. It's through something much more accessible: rental properties. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how they do it. But bear in mind, I am not a financial advisor, and you should do your own research. This isn't just for the super rich. This is a blueprint for the average person, and the strategy we have used for our investments. So, how does it actually work? Let's start with the first property. Most people think you need a huge pile of cash to get started, but that's a common myth. Many first-time investors use an FHA loan, which only requires a small down payment, sometimes as low as 3.5%. Others use what's called house hacking. They buy a small multi-family property, like a duplex or a triplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rent from the other units covers most, if not all, of their mortgage payment. Essentially, they're living for free while building equity in a valuable asset. This single move drastically reduces their biggest expensizing and frees up a ton of cash. Once you have that first property, the magic really begins to happen. There are 4 key ways a rental property makes you money. First, cash flow. This is the simplest one. The profit you have left each month after you've collected rent and paid all the expenses, mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Even a couple $100s per month from one property adds up. Second is appreciation. This is the increase in your property's value over time. Real estate has historically been a fantastic long-term investment. While markets go up and down over the long haul, property values tend to rise. That property you bought for $300,000 could be worth $500,000 or more in 10 to 15 years. That's $200,000 in wealth created just by holding the asset. Third, and this is a big one, is the mortgage paid every single month. Your tenant is paying rent, and a portion of that rent goes towards paying down your mortgage. You're not the one paying it. Your tenant is. So, with each payment, you own a little more of the property, and the bank owns a little less. Over 30 years, your tenant will have paid off your entire loan for you. You started with a huge debt, and now you own a valuable asset free and clear, paid for by someone else. The fourth wealth generator is tax benefits. This is where the wealthy really separate themselves. As a real estate investor, you can deduct a ton of expenses: mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, repairs, and even property management fees. But the real game changer is depreciation. The government lets you deduct a portion of your property's value from your taxable income each year to account for wear and tear, even if the property is actually going up in value. This can dramatically lower your tax bill, letting you keep more of your hard-earned money. So, you have one property. It's cash flowing. Your tenant is paying down the mortgage. It's appreciating in value, and you're getting tax breaks. What's next? This is where you scale and accelerate your journey to becoming a millionaire. After a few years, you'll have built up significant equity in that first property. You can then tap into that equity through a cash-out refinance or a home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC. You pull out a chunk of cash tax-free, by the way, and use that money as the down payment for your next rental property. Now you have 2 properties, 2 streams of cash flow. 2 properties appreciating to mortgages being paid down by tenants. You repeat this process every few years. 1 property becomes 2, 2 become 4, 4 become 8. This is the power of leverage and compounding in action. You're reusing the bank's money and your tenant's money to build your own personal real estate empire. It's not a path without challenges. You'll deal with difficult tenants, unexpected repairs, and market fluctuations. But with the right education and a solid plan, these are just hurdles, not roadblocks. You don't need to be a genius or come from a wealthy family. You just need a strategy, patience, and the determination to take that first step. This is how average people are systematically building life-changing wealth and achieving financial freedom. It's happening right now, and you can be a part of it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more straight talk on building wealth. See you in the next video.